Hi, I'm Jeanette Larsen with Growth Unlimited. Today we're going to be talking about managing yourself. There are 10 ways that we're going to share with you that will help you make yourself accountable. One of the biggest ways to take control of your life and create the life that you want to have lies in how you manage yourself, how you control your beliefs, your behaviors, and your time. In this video, we're going to be outlining, like I said, 10 different things you can do to increase the quality of your self-management so you're able to achieve the kind of life you want to have. The first thing is to create a personal mission statement. Plato said, the first and best victory is to conquer yourself. So when you create that personal mission statement, post it where you can see it, and review it on a daily basis. That will keep you on track so you know what it is that you're doing. If you need help creating that mission statement, check out our course at Growth University that will teach you how to create your own mission statement. The second thing to do is create a plan for your life. If you have a comprehensive life plan, it provides a roadmap that helps you get from where you are now to where you ultimately want to be. Everyone who is successful creates a life plan. And you think about it, plans are created in every aspect of our life, whether it be education, whether it be business, whether it be health. You go to a doctor, they have a treatment plan. Schools and teachers use educational plans for students. Doesn't it make sense that you'd want to create a plan for something that is as important as your entire life? Again, Growth Unlimited offers a program that helps you create a comprehensive life plan and teaches you how to use it to be effective in making your life what you want it to be. Okay, 3, make and write down goals. Use goals of all sizes. And make sure you use a format that will allow you what you need to have in terms of support to achieve those goals. Writing down the goals denotes that you are committed. It helps keep them in the forefront of your mind. Then analyze what you're going to do each day to work toward achieving the goals that you're working on. Review your progress on a regular basis. I review my goals on a daily basis. When I analyze what I've done for the day, I look at my progress on a weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annual basis. And here again, Growth Unlimited has a training program that will help you learn how to write goals that can be achieved and help you achieve them. We also recommend that you use a planner to organize your time. It helps you keep on track so that you can stay focused and move forward in the process. Number 4, create rituals for your life. I begin my day each day with a morning ritual. I begin my work day with a beginning workday ritual. I have a ritual that I follow at the end of every workday and before I go to bed at night. It helps me keep track of what I'm doing during the day and helps me keep focused so that I can achieve my goals. Number 5, do not multitask. I can remember a time not too many years back when the whole rage was to do as much as you could do at one time. The more tasks you could complete in a given while you were doing other things, so you were completing several things at the same time, the more productive it appeared you were going to be. Research has shown that that's not the case. We as human beings do not do well when we stretch ourselves in that direction. If we have too many things to do at one time, we end up not getting anything done to the level that it needs to be done. We are now finding in research that it's far better to focus on one thing at a time and to do them in order. Your productivity increases, you are more effective in what you're doing, and so it helps you take better control of your life. Okay, and one of the other tips that go along line with this, budget the time that you spend using media and technology. Oftentimes we will get stuck playing with our cell phones or have to listen to every newscast during the day. That detracts us from being able to get the things done that we need to do, and actually is a form of multitasking. And if you're making changes in your life, don't try to do a whole bunch of them all at one time. Make them one or two at a time, so that you can focus more directly and you don't get distracted and swayed from staying on task when you're working on them. Finally, make sure in terms of multitasking that whatever you choose to do is an effective use of your time. If it's income producing, does it produce enough income to make it worth your time? If it's not income producing, but it's something that needs to be done, prioritize it. Is it important? Is it a big enough thing and an important enough thing in your life that you need to devote the time to it that you're doing? Effectively planning how you're going to spend your time is also a great way to show that you're taking control of your life. Okay, number 6, show off your strengths and actively seek ways to improve the things that you're not so strong in. That way you can increase the control of your life because you're moving forward toward achieving the goals that you set. Number 7, maximize your productivity, and we already kind of touched on this. Make sure that the hours that you work are generating the income that you're worth, and don't spend time doing things that are going to spin wheels. Number 8, check out your personal performance with people you trust. You know, managers in businesses don't use just their own impressions. Successful managers in business don't use just their own impressions when they're evaluating the work and productivity of the people that work for them. Instead, they look at several different areas and get information from several different places in order to make the choices that they make when they are evaluating the productivity of their employees. Do this for yourself. Don't be afraid to ask somebody that you trust to give you an honest answer to how you're doing. And then use that information in terms of how you evaluate yourself. Okay, number 9, reward yourself for your achievements. And make sure the reward is appropriate. If, for example, you're trying to lose weight and you've lost 5 pounds, it's a great time to reward yourself, but don't reward yourself with a box of chocolates. Make sure that the reward that you choose is an appropriate reward that fits the framework of what it is you're working to achieve. And number 10, hold regular evaluation sessions to increase your personal accountability. We've touched on this just a little bit too, but I also want to reiterate this. Regular, scheduled evaluations of what you're doing in terms of how you're meeting the goals that you've set for yourself allows you to analyze what is happening, whether the goal is still effective and appropriate to have, or whether changes need to be made. And it helps you hold yourself accountable so that you know what progress is being made. Sometimes in the process of managing yourself, you need to take a cold, hard look at what you're doing and how you're doing it. But that's how you take control of your life, and that's how you create the kind of life that you want to have, so that you can live the way you want to live. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it with your friends. If you'd like more information on ways you can take control of your life, or you want to register for any of the courses that we talked about offering in this video, then visit us at our training program. That's at www.thegrowthuniversity.org. You can also visit our main website at www.growthunlimited.org for more ideas. Thanks so much for joining. Growth Unlimited's mission is to help you have your life your way. We want to help you take control of your life so that you live the life you've dreamed of, that you deserve. We have a proprietary program that helps you do just that. Check us out by visiting our website and take our free assessment to see how we can help you.